Is your Range Rover Velar key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This section covers how to confirm the battery is the issue and what you'll need for a quick DIY fix. First, check your Velar's infotainment system for battery health diagnostics, available via in-control app updates. If the remote isn't responding or the vehicle displays a low battery warning, replacement is likely needed. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, ensuring it matches Land Rover's specification, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the case, and a soft cloth to clean any corrosion. Doing it yourself saves around $150 in dealership repair fees. If your Velar is under warranty, consider professional replacement to avoid voiding coverage. Gather these materials before starting the replacement process. Now let's replace that battery. First, press the release button to slide out the mechanical key blade. Locate the seam at the base of the key fob. Gently insert your screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and carefully separate the two halves of the fob case. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure clean contact with the metal clips. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify functionality. If issues persist, try resetting the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Consider recycling options. You've now successfully replaced your Velar key fob battery.